Whether you're a seasoned grill master or just starting out, selecting the perfect grill for your outdoor cooking needs is essential. Today, we'll take you through the key factors to consider when making this important decision. First, let's talk about fuel types. Gas, charcoal, or electric. Each has its own benefits. Gas grills offer convenience and precise temperature control. Charcoal grills give you that distinct smoky flavor. And electric grills provide ease of use and are perfect for smaller spaces. Size matters too. Think about the size of your outdoor space and how many people you usually cook for. From compact and portable options to larger grills with multiple burners, finding the right size ensures you have enough cooking surface to meet your needs. Now, let's talk about features. Look for features like infrared searing burners, built-in thermometers, rotisserie kits, and side burners. These additions can enhance your grilling experience and make cooking more efficient and enjoyable. Quality and durability are crucial when investing in an outdoor kitchen grill. Stainless steel and cast iron are popular materials known for their longevity and resistance to the elements. Consider a grill that can withstand the test of time and provide years of outdoor cooking enjoyment. So, whether you're a barbecue enthusiast or simply enjoy cooking outdoors, choosing the right outdoor kitchen grill is a decision that can elevate your culinary adventures. Remember to consider fuel type, size, features, and durability. Visit our website or contact our experts for more information on finding your perfect grill. Happy grilling! Visit NorCal Fire and Grill website to view our outdoor kitchen grill collection.